To get this Hello 2024 sticker on Instagram, first open Instagram. Now go to search option and search Add Yours Extra without giving the space. Now click on the first profile you see. Now check my story for the trending Hello 2024 sticker. If you don't find this sticker on my story, then check my highlights named AY15. You will find the story saved in this highlights. Now click on Add Yours and then add your photo from the gallery. Now place the Add Yours sticker button wherever you want. And then click on your story to upload your story. You can check my other highlights for more stickers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. And press the bell icon for all latest updates.